Okay, this is just a practice trade, which normally I really do create watch list for next week trade. That will be October 27. Starting tomorrow, that's Monday. So I have here, actually what I have prepared is 4 currency, which is AUD CAD, Euro CHF, Euro NZD, and GBP JPY. So let's start for AUD CAD. So dito pa lang, we could see on the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's move on the 4-hour chart that meron ng nangyaring head and shoulders pattern. So meaning to say, pag merong ganitong head and shoulders pattern, the trend is going down. Bali bababa na siya most cases based on this. So anong nangyari, ang ginawa ng market is he tried to check for the 4th time. May 4 na siyang up, may 3 na siyang up, chinek pa niya into 4, then may 3 siyang down. So the next thing that we're going to find is yung next niyang pababa. So dito, which nagkaroon ng another pattern, karoon ng ibang pattern na favorite naman natin, which is the ABCD pattern. Kung makikita niyo, ABCD pattern. So here ang sistema, like always, paulit-ulit nito, I never change. Like always, when I engage with this kind of pattern, ang entry ko talaga is nasa 15 minutes. Kaya kung makikita mo using my market checker na program, pag in-on ko tong market checker ko, makikita mo na ang risk ko dito is nasa 20 pips. So ang starting trade ko is itong yellow. So since Monday, we'll wait and see kung saan na siya papupunta. If bababa pa siya nito, then I will start to trade. Pag hindi, aakyat pa siya, then wait and see tayo. So makikita natin here 20 pips ang ating risk, no? Then ang potential profit natin is nasa 45 pips. So imagine if you're trading $1 per pip, so that's $45. The next will be Euro CHF. Okay. There, ito. The next will be Euro CHF. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya for the 4 hours pattern. Diba? Papalakihin ko lang. But, it's a head and shoulders. Mas malinaw ito dito sa 1 hour time frame. Kung makikita mo, meron na tayong parallel na ginawa ko dyan. Parallel nga, no? Up, 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 then down, down, down. So mangyayari actually wait and see tayo dito. Wait and see. Although pwede naman po tayo ding gumawa ng ABCD pattern, but I could not recommend dahil wala pang nakitang head and shoulders na equal. Now, if we're going to remove this one, ito kasi yung head and shoulders na gusto nating mangyari. Meron siyang nangyari na head and shoulders dito. Mapapansin mo, I'm sorry, not this one. There. Yan. Pero, this is not the typical head and shoulders na kailangan ko. Nakaslan. No? Pwede, but as of now, I don't recommend it yet. So, if only may nagkaroon ng another yung equally head and shoulders talaga, pantay yung baseline niya dito. So i-recommend ko yung ABCD pattern. Ito yung baseline. Pero since wala, ang gagawin ko dito, and the way I approach this one, gumawa ako ng panibagong head and shoulders. Yan. Actually, nag-break na siya dito. Then, ito yung head. Then, hihintayin kong it's either aabot dyan or papantay dyan. From the time na aakyat ulit using the 168 rule, that's the time ako maghahanap ng entry point dyan. So, for Euros HF, wait and see. Now, next naman natin is ito. Dito, this is nice. No? Let's go for the 4 hours. Mas malinaw siya sa 4 hours. Makikita natin na divergent. Ito yung talaga yung sinasabing divergent. No? Dito sa MACD natin na tools, pababa ang flow. Pero dito naman sa chart natin, paakyat yung flow. So, nagkaroon ng divergent na tinatawag. And what I like in this is, meron tayong parallel na nakalagay dito at 4-hour time frame. However, gusto ko mangyari dito, bago ako mag-trade, gusto ko na aabot po na siya ng pababa, then bago aakyat doon, pataas. From there, magsusukat na naman ako ng 168 pattern para I will find my entry point. But as of now, kagaya ng Euros HF, ang Euro NZD, wait and see. Tingnan natin to next week kung saan ang takbo. Then lastly, what I have prepared is the GBP JPY. Let's go for the 1 hour. Papansin nyo po, ako ay pattern trader using head and shoulders at a time frame of 4 hours and 1 hour. So dito ako comfortable, no? There you go. Linawin natin to. There. Ito naman, although we have the baseline for 1 hour, ayan, wala akong baseline sa taas, so wala akong parallel na setup. Pero what I like about this one is divergent again. Diba? Sa chart natin, merong paakyat. Tanggalin muna natin itong 168 para hindi tayo malito. Yan. And this is the what I said, the divergent. No? Yung left shoulder compared to head shoulder, paakyat dito. Pero dito sa MACD tool natin, pababa. Meaning to say, he is really going down. So, ang nangyari dito, hinihintay ko na lang na mag-retrace siya, which is nangyari na ng hanggang 168, no? Hanggang 168. So kung susukatin natin ang retracement niya from head shoulders, no, papunta dyan, so hindi pa niya inabot yung 168 nating na rule. So dito nilagyan ko ng limit ng 168 to 786 rule na yan yung risk area natin. So, kumbaga, sinukat ko rin to, this is 20 pips ang risk. However, ang potential profit natin na mangyayari is nasa 58 pips. So, hopefully, it will come to realize itong pattern na to. Aabot siya ng 168, then we will transfer for the 15 minutes time frame for our specific entry. So, for now, that's it. Let's wait and see. No? Mag-update ako on the next week, probably Monday, Tuesday, whenever the market is changed or whenever I see another profitable trade. Thank you very much. Uling Cyril. It's good to be back.